Hello guys, good day everyone. Nandito na naman po ako sa Birmingham. Ayan, parang inaaraw-araw ko na yata yung Birmingham guys. Mega shoutout po sa mga team Bakbakan at saka team Wakwak. So, we gonna check it out. Ayan po, ito po yung Grand Central dito sa Birmingham. Parang airport po siya guys. Ayan, Birmingham is the second largest city here in UK. Yung first largest city ay London. Ayan, 6:13:45 pa guys yung ating next train. So, ang laki pa ng ating hihintayin. Oh my goodness, na-miss out yata natin yung isang train. Ayan, mahaba pa po yung ating oras guys. O sige, na lang tayo, grab na lang tayo ng kakainin. Ayan, dito na lang ako sa Wasabi guys. Bibili na lang ako ng bibili na lang po tayo ng sushi. Ayan, kasi nagutom na kasi ako eh. Ayan guys, dito po tayo sa platform. Punta tayo ng 6A. Mali yata yung pinuntahan natin. Guys, nasa platform 6A na po tayo. Yan, hintay lang po tayo ng train. At may kape tayo. And also may sushi. Ayan, ang sushi natin ay rambulan na doon sa loob. Kain po tayo, nagugutom ako guys. lagi maglakad kasi hinihinga-hinga na po ako mag-alakad. Hindi na kaya ng ating energy. So, si Briton, naghihintay na doon sa pub. Umiinom na ng alcohol, ng beer, o cider. Yan, tawitan na tayo dito sa bridge. Yan guys. Lakad muna tayo. Yan. Ayan to yung train station. Tapos, pakaway-kaway na doon si Briton guys. Oh. Ayun oh, naka-silver car. Kaway-kaway na si Briton. Mamaya pagbalik natin, dito po tayo sasakay dito yung area na to. Spot. Ayan. Yung aking lovely Briton. Ayan. Yung aking lovely Briton. Oh, ayan oh. My husband. May husband. May handsome boy. Ayan si handsome boy. Ayan. Hello. Say hello muna. Hello. Ayan po. Ayan guys. Kasama ko na si Briton. Si Raulo. When the train get there at 1:15 in Birmingham, I will miss out the train. So I have to wait 30 minutes, babe. Oh, jumpy. Well, he's early bird. He's so excited to see me. I'm hoping to get her early, to be honest, but the train, I have to wait 30 minutes.
The job I was going to do.
Oh, it's alright, babe. It's okay, I'm here now, don't worry. Oh, that's beautiful flowers, oh. Ayan guys. Pauwi na po kami ni Briton. Please keep eyeing it po guys, no? Or please watching na lang po kung ano po yung kaganapan or update later on. Ayan. So nakita naman kami ni Briton dalawa. So I'll see you when we get back home ba guys. Ayan. Hello mga kaibigan, nandito na po kami sa bahay. So nandito po kami sa back garden habang naghihintay po kami ng magtitingin po ng aming kitchen for measurement. Ayan po yung project ginawa ni Briton. Ano ko lang po to, i-flex ko lang. This is the storage. Ayan, storage po ng mga equipments ni Briton. Ayan. You gonna paint the as well, the plaster wall. Oo.
Sand and paint.
Oh yeah. He does this job guys. He plaster it and already put paint.
It's only rough plaster.
Oo. Just only for to put his equipments and tools here in
shelves all the way up.
In shelf. Okay, that's good. Nice one.
I'll cut the shelves down.
Well done. Ayan po yung trabaho ni Briton, and then in couple minutes time, the guy for the kitchen will be here for measurement, no? Look at this. No?
It's all blistered and so.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? So, ayan guys, dito na po kami ni Britonis. Yan mga tanim-tanim niya, mga halaman niya. Ayan, yung garden namin. Ayan, mga bulaklak ni Briton. Ayan po. So, nung yesterday yata guys, o nakarang araw, naglinis po si Britonis ng garden namin. Ayan, nagdamo siya dito. Ayan, yung lavender natin. Lavender, wala na, tuyo na. Tapos yung pony natin at saka roses. Yung bay leaves ko dito. Ayan. At saka yung gradolay, oo. Ayan. Ay. Neglected na talaga yung aming garden, guys. Ayan. Next year daw itataniman daw ni Briton to, guys. Magtanim daw siya dito ng bulaklak na ganito. Ayan. Ayan po yung aming kasipo, oh. Ayan. So, nandito na yata yung mag-measurement ng aming kitchen, guys. Ayan, tinatapos na lang ni Briton yung DIY niya dyan sa garden kasi makalat pa yung garden namin, guys. So ayan, ang update namin dito. So waiting time na lang po kami dito sa gardener. Waiting time na lang po kami sa pupunta dito sa bahay for our kitchen. Ayan si Britonis, oh. Hindi hinto yan si Briton, guys, oh. Ayan, araw-araw yan, araw-araw may ginagawa. Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh. Ayan. Ayan si Yobit, guys. Finally, guys, our kitchen designer is here in our house. We booked in about 3:30 in afternoon. So, si Briton, nakipag-usap po dyan sa kanya kung ano po yung layout, design, and color po ng aming kitchen. This kitchen is a old kitchen, guys. Is Gali kitchen. Nakikita nyo po yan, guys, kasi is old house po ito. Binili namin 6 years ago. Yung kitchen namin is a Gali kitchen lang po, guys. At marami din po siyang i-DIY po yung aming bahay. Matagal din po kami nag-iisip, pinag-ipunan, dahil ay magastos din po mga kaibigan. Hindi basta-basta po mag-renovate ng kitchen. Sa wakas, nakapag-ipon-ipon na din kay papaano, it's time to renovation. Hello guys! Ayan, paalis na kami sa bahay. Nagdadrive na po si Briton. All the people that fitting for our kitchen is all done. The appointment. So next is appointment is next week na naman. So ayan si Briton, ihahatid niya ako. He's gonna drop me off to train station. And then iwanan ko na naman siya. I'm gonna leave you again. Because I'm going back to work, guys. Of course, as you know.
Every time you go away, you take a piece of me with you.
So I'm gonna leave him again, and then I'm going back to work. And because I got 7 hours break, I asked Tanda if she can do 7 hours today, so that I got more time and not rushing when I get back to my Alaga's place. And then next appointment again next week. Let's see how it goes, guys. So it won't take me as long to get to train station. It's only take us about 10 minutes to get there to train station. It's not really far. Ayan guys, I look like tired and haggard today. To be honest, I'm tired. So that's it, guys. This is only a quick live stream, a quick vlog for today. So hope nagustuhan niyo po yung aking agenda today or video today na walang kwenta. So I would like to say thank you so much to all the team Bakbakan and also team Wakwak and new subscriber. Thank you so much po, guys, sa patuloy niyo sa pagsusupport at panood po sa aking channel and also live stream. Ingat po kayo lagi, guys. God bless us all.
Don't forget to check out Score Guru.
Oo, Score Guru. Ayan. Please don't forget to subscribe Score Guru. That's
Guru.
Yeah, it's Briton channel, guys. So I leave you to it, guys. God bless us all and take care and keep safe always. I need to end this video and then see you soon again. Bye.
The link will be in the description.
Bye. Thank you for watching.